check this out. Woo! Wow, 360 degrees. This is why we do it. How many people ever get to see this? Richie, what's your thought, brother?
I'm calling all the people in Louisiana right now, dude. Everyone I know. My whole contact list.
Oh, good stuff. That's Rocky Mountain Backcountry.
Yeah, what we got, 14 more days of this? Yes, sir. You think you can deal with that tonight? Dude, I'm really not sure, man. I may have to just go ahead and turn around and go back home. Yeah, I think you should suck it up, man.
We just left Ennis, Montana. We're heading back into the hills. We fueled up, got some groceries. You know, I'm really sad because in the grocery store, I didn't meet anybody that seemed nice. If you're from Ennis, Montana, and you're nice, drop a comment down below. I'd like to meet you when I come through again. Day 2 on the trail, day 3.
Today is day 3.
Today's day 3.
Yep.
We're just above Ennis.
Right here, we can put it on here.
Oh, okay.
We camped next to this
You gonna leave it over?
little creek last night.
So hard to talk so hard enough.
Super cool. Louisiana slept right there, worried about the bears all night. How was that?
Took me a little while to get at ease, but other than that, I slept pretty good.
Heath, how'd you do last night?
I did wonderful.
Wonderful.
I crawled into bed, not a minute later, I was sound asleep.
The sound of that creek makes a huge difference. That's awesome. I guess the younger kids call that white noise, don't they?
Yes, they do.
I normally can't sleep with white noise.
I hate white noise, but I love the creek. Anyway, good stuff. Good morning. Good morning. We had to trailer backed into those trees. That was nice. We got guys scattered down over here. Jerry, Heath is all the way back here. Take a quick view of this little creek. Came down here and flicked the fly in, caught a few fish last night. That was kind of fun. some of the things we have to do to get in and out of the spots we're in. We have some tight spots, and backing out of them sometimes is straighten it up, follow it. There you go. You're good on that side. You're good. Keep it coming this way, and now come back. Good. Clear. I'll overland with that any day. What an awesome trip. We're starting out day 4. Day 4 for us, day 3 on the trip. How was breakfast, Bo?
Amazing. Amazing.
These guys, Jen lives to cook for us.
Yeah.
And it works out awesome.
She's not happy until everybody's full.
Thank you, Jen. Here's the shout out. Appreciate you. Good stuff. Thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry. It's a good trip, you guys. Don't miss the rest of it. All right, we're on the trail. Something's busted up here. Probably gonna end up doing a trail repair. Let's go see what's up. Oh, ooh.
We've all had it. We've all had one.
Both sides.
They're like tilted. Remember that happened to us and Jerry.
This one was doing this before yesterday. The camber.
What do we got here, son?
I think this one's bending over here too.
Is it?
Yeah, this one's twisted as well. Okay. All right, so we're back on the road. I'll see if I can't get a picture as we go by, but we took the suspension out of Heath's trailer. He's heading back to Ennis to, he's got a welder waiting there for him on a Sunday afternoon. That was good timing. So we're gonna hit the trail and he's gonna catch back up to us in a little while. But hold on a second and I'll show you what his trailer situation is like right now. There's the trailer setting up on blocks and jacks. We're going. down there moving some rocks so Bo can get around that corner. That's tight.
You worry about driving.
They're just moving a boulder around to make it easier for all of us.
You good, Bo? Why, thank you, kind sir.
Tricky time for everybody with trailers.
What? Why? Why?
Yeah, I'm just trying to not go too wide for the trailer. Oh, yeah,
Perfect.
boy. Oh, yeah,
Good
boy.
job.
AJ, you doing alright?
Keep going.
Big rock. Tree you gotta watch out. Oh! Trailer gonna hit?
Nope.
That was interesting.
Okay. I'll watch you on your jackknife. Come back a little bit. Okay, you're good.
Good, Bo.
Oh, goodness gracious.
There you go. Passenger. There you go. You got it. Go ahead. Passenger. Passenger hard. Hard, hard, hard. There you go. There you go. Passenger. Passenger. There you go. See, Lenny's got bigger tires and more ground clearance than both, so it might not be as bad.
The side of it. Oh.
There you go. Doing good. All right.
Oh, nope.
Passenger side. Turn toward your passenger.
There you go.
There you go. Passenger all the way. All the way.
Oh.
Passenger. Passenger. There you go. Slow down. All right. Passenger. There you go. All right, go to your passenger. All right, nice and easy right here. All right, passenger all the way.
You might have to back up.